The Pentagon has announced a new media rotation program that will see several established news organizations lose their workspace within the building. Under the new plan, One America News Network will replace NBC News, Breitbart will swap with National Public Radio, the New York Post will move into the New York Times workspace, and HuffPost will take over from Politico. These changes, set to take effect on February 14th, will see some smaller, pro-Trump media outlets elevated, while more mainstream news organizations are sidelined. The exception is HuffPost, which is openly critical of President Trump. The Pentagon says the rotation program will broaden access to the limited space in the correspondence corridor. However, the decision has been met with criticism from members of the Pentagon Press Corps and press freedom advocates. The National Press Club expressed concern, stating that any action restricting journalists' ability to report on government operations should alarm those who value transparency and press freedom. The affected news outlets have been given 2 weeks' notice to vacate their office spaces. While the Pentagon claims the rotation system is a fair way to welcome more media outlets, critics argue that it is a move to limit access for journalists who have been critical of the Trump administration. The decision has raised questions about the influence of new Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth, a former Fox News host, on media access at the Pentagon. Despite losing their physical workspaces, the affected outlets will remain full members of the Pentagon Press Corps and will still have the same media access to the Pentagon. The rotation program will see one outlet from each press medium, print, online, radio, and TV, forfeit their existing space for 1 year.